If you're experiencing stick drift with your Xbox controller, then this is the video for you. Often, this is caused by dust, dirt, and buildup. So let's try the easy way of resolving it.
Now, before we jump into the video, please subscribe to our channel and feel free to check us out on eBay at GameXTC. You'll get valuable information on leveling up your video game hardware and software.
The first thing you want to do is wedge your pry tool between the trigger button and the grip cover. You then want to forcefully but gently pull the grip cover away from the controller. It will be quite difficult, especially if this is the first time you're doing it, but it will come apart. Just take your time. You then want to remove the battery cover, remove the batteries, and peel back the sticker. Remove the 5 screws with your Torx screwdriver, which would then allow you to take off the faceplate. Once you've taken off the faceplate, you'll then have access to the rubber analog sticks, which you just remove. And this is what we'll be cleaning. You can see on the analog stick, if I were to push right, left, up, down, it creates gaps, and within these gaps, dust and dirt can gather. And this is what we need to get rid of. Problem solved. So the solution is, you get your air duster cleaner and you spray between those areas to get rid of the dust and dirt. It's as simple as that. Now, you can put everything back together and enjoy.